Hello kids, in the previous sessions we have done English alphabet and letters in English alphabet. As you all know, there are 26 letters and we write those letters in uppercase style and lowercase style. Uppercase style of letters are called their names and lowercase styles are their sounds. Now here in this session we will learn about vowels, and vowels are nothing but the sounds, and these sounds comes from here like a, e, o, So there are 5 vowels: a, I, O, In this video, we will do first vowel, and that vowel is a. A. In this video, we will learn more about blending a sound with rest of the consonants of English alphabet. So let's start with A and B. When we use this vowel A with the consonant B, it makes the sound A. A, B, ab. And the moment we use this sound with another consonant, it makes a word. For example, curve. K, ab, cab. K, ab, cab. D, ab, dab. Ab, dab. Similarly, we can use the same vowel sound A with the consonant at. At is itself a word, it's a preposition, but here it's a sound. At. Now we can use this at sound with some other letter, like we can use the consonant B, at, bat. Next, r, at, rat. We have 4 different words with 2 different sounds: ab, at, cab, dab, bat, rat. Now we will write another sound a, l, all. Now here, when you use the letter A with double L, its sound changes. It will change from A to O. O, L, all. O, L, all. It's a sight word, and this sight word is all. When we use this all with B, all, ball. K, all, call. I hope you have learnt different sounds that we have made from vowel A, and it makes the sound A, and you must have enjoyed the video. Now it's my request to you, practice these sounds yourself and reinforce it by matching pictures to the related words so that you can have mastery over it. See you later in my next video where I will discuss the vowel E and it makes the sound eh. Bye.